wa fe jemba. E wa fe jem. E wa fe jemba. E wa fe jem. E wa fe jemba. E wa fe jem. E wa fe jemba. E wa fe jem. Kuba kuja kusama sejene. Kuba kuja kusama sejene. Ngoma siwuna. What? Ngoma siwuna. Ngoma siwuna. Kuba kuja kusama sejene. Kuba kuja kusama sejene.
There we go, that's it for this video. So it was really good painting alongside Roles and Outta. I had to capture their pieces because yeah, obviously they put a lot of effort in and yeah, they burnt. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell me what you like about this video. Do you enjoy this kind of multi-collaboration kind of video where I get other people involved like I previously did? Or do you prefer it where I just paint things on my own? I do want to paint more kind of production things like characters and stuff like that, but it's all kind of like time and effort, and I just kind of want painting to be enjoyable and not stressful. The next video was a little bit stressful. It was painting at some kind of jam type thing over in the east side of Kent, by the seaside. So yeah, it was a bit ridiculous, but you shall see that in the next video. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.